You see, most people are broke because they don't have a side hustle. They don't make money daily. Here is what most people do. They borrow to live their life, and when they are paid their salaries, they pay off their debt and start the cycle afresh. We call it the rat race. Why should you be paid only 12 times in a year? That's very bad. To survive in this economy, you need to make money every single day because you spend money daily. If you spend money daily, it is equally important to find ways to make money daily. And before you can make money daily, you will need a side hustle. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Side Hustle Masterclass. This video is going to be in models from model 1, model 2, model 3 up to the last model. So here is what you are going to be learning in these models. 1. You learn how to come out with side hustle ideas. You can't just start something without having ideas about what you want to do. 2. You will learn the things you must know before you start a side hustle. You need to know certain things before you start your side hustle. I'll teach you 15 different types of side hustles you can do to earn $100 monthly with your smartphone. You will learn how to set up a daily credit alert system. I mean, how to make money daily of your life. I'll also be teaching you practical strategies to make more sales consistently in your business. You also learn how to save your money like a pro. There will be other bonuses for persons who will go through this series of models till the end. For you to get the full understanding of this masterclass, you will need to go through all the models to get in-depth understanding. If you miss any of this model, you won't get what I want you to get in this series of videos. So every day, I'll be dropping a video on this channel on the Side Hustle Masterclass till the end of this model. So don't miss any of this series of videos. I'll also be doing a giveaway for persons who will go through the masterclass and will be able to answer questions at the end of the masterclass.